Hello guys, welcome to my Minecraft Let's Play.
Hello, guys. In today's video, we'll be climbing this color tower and explore what's above the entire tower.
Okay, let's go.
Never mind.
Let's go! Oh my God! Essa é a letra mais difícil do mundo, hein? Assim, ó. Para, bere, bere, bere. Para, bere, 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 bere. Para, bere, bere, bere. Para, bere, 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 bere.
Now that we have climbed the top, we have one more task, which is to make my way up to the high surface so that we can perform some cool stuff there.
Okay, let's go.
Hee, I will simply use the simplest method, which is flying.
Oh hell no!
Well, hello there. My name is Princess La.
Yeah, boy.
It is time for me to perform some godly stunts.
2, 1, go! Got him!
I want to perform another godly stunt, but this time with no vehicles. We have successfully reached the top again, but this time I won't be using any vehicles.